Ever wondered how ChatGPT knows what to write next? It's not magic, it's math. In this video, we'll break down large language models in a way that actually makes sense. A large language model, or LLM, is an AI trained on billions of text examples from the internet. Think of it like a student who's read every book ever written. It learns patterns in language and predicts what word comes next. That's the core idea of probability and patterns. LLMs use something called a transformer architecture. Imagine breaking a sentence into tiny pieces called tokens. The model analyzes relationships between tokens, asking, what word typically follows this one? It does this millions of times, learning complex language patterns. When you ask it a question, it generates responses one word at a time. These models need massive computing power and data. ChatGPT was trained on hundreds of billions of words. The word large literally refers to the model's size billions of mathematical parameters. More data and more parameters generally mean better predictions and smarter responses. LLMs excel at writing, explaining, and problem-solving because they've learned from human knowledge. But they can hallucinate facts, lack real-time awareness, and can't truly understand. They're sophisticated pattern matchers, not conscious beings. Understanding these limits is crucial for using them responsibly. Did that click? Drop a comment with what surprised you most about MS Hits. Subscribe for more AI concepts explained simply.